another video. It's Captain Friday and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple garlic cheese toast recipe. This is very easy to make and even a 5-year-old could make it. So why not try this? Before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment down below, and without further ado, let's get into the video. The ingredients needed for the garlic cheese toast include some butter, some cheese, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 pieces of bread. You would also need a grater and some salt. Firstly, we need to make the garlic butter. And I have here 3 cloves of peeled garlic, and we need to grate this so that we can make our garlic butter. So I'm just grating this piece of garlic. Keep grating the garlic until all 3 cloves of garlic have been grated. Now, with the grated garlic, we're going to take the grated garlic and put it into our butter, just like this. And we can add some salt. If you want, you can also add cilantro or pepper. I'm just going to add some salt. So that was step 1, making the garlic butter. Now we're going to go to step 2, which is making the filling for the sandwich. For the filling, you could add whatever you want, but I'm going to go a little special, so I'm going to add some vegetables. My filling includes some cheese, grated potato that I haven't grated yet, some chopped cilantro, tomato, and onion, and yeah, that's it. But technically you could add whatever you want as your filling, but this is what I'm going to add as my filling. I boiled the potato and now I'm grating it. To the grated potato, I'm going to add some salt and pepper just to flavor it. Now to our grated potato, I'm going to add my onion, tomato, and cilantro mixture into it. Just like that. I'm going to bring everything here. Yep, and make sure to give it a good mix. Step 3 is making the sandwich. So first, I'm going to add the garlic butter that we made. Then I'm going to put a small layer of cheese there. I'm just going to sprinkle it real nicely. Now I'm going to put the grated potato and the mixed vegetable filling. I'm going to spread it real nicely. Make sure to add some garlic butter on the outside of the sandwich. Now we're going to put the sandwich on the pan. Make sure you put the side which has the garlic butter on the bottom. For the side that doesn't have garlic butter, add some now. And just keep it there and let it cook. I put it on a medium flame. I can hear some sizzling, which sounds great. I'm just going to push it down so that the cheese melts real nicely. Now I'm going to flip the sandwich over. It smells and looks amazing. Let me check if it's golden brown on the other side, just to make sure. Yep, it's golden brown. So that means we're all done with the sandwich and we're ready for my favorite part, which is eating it. So here is the garlic cheese toast sandwich. We also have some ketchup here for more flavor, and now I'm gonna try it. Now I'm gonna try the garlic cheese toast. Wow, the garlic butter is so awesome. And the vegetables in it really taste amazing. That really gives it a pop to the entire dish. Without the garlic, it would be ordinary. But with garlic, it's extraordinary. Instead of just a plain grilled sandwich, the vegetables give it a nice punch. Gives it an overall amazing taste. You should definitely try to make this at home if you can. It's an amazing recipe with an amazing outcome. I'm gonna dip this in some ketchup and see how it tastes. That tastes amazing. You can make this at parties, family gatherings, or just for fun. I mean, it's perfect for any occasion. So these ingredients are very common, so most people can make this. Out of 10 stars, I would give this a 9. It's super good. Well, that was my recipe on the garlic cheese toast. It was a great dish and it had an amazing taste to it. You could also eat this with hot soup. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, see you guys later.
My compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer.